Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to remove primary email address. To do that, you need to open the Facebook application first and then get logged in into the account of yours. Once you're at the home page, you need to go and tap on three horizontal lines on the top right. Tap that. Then you need to scroll down to tap Setting and Privacy. Tap on Setting from there. In the account and privacy, you will see accounts on top. You tap on the personal and account information. Tap that. Now here you need to go and tap on the contact info. Tap on it. In the contact info page, you will have your email address. So if you want to remove this email address, you will need to provide a secondary email address as well. So tap on that email address. And here you can see this is a primary email address. So before you remove this, you will need to provide another email address for your Facebook account. Then only you will be able to remove this primary one from here. So go back and there you tap on Add Email Address. Type in the additional email address over here. Then tap on Add Email. A confirmation mail has been sent to the email address that you have recently added. You need to open your mail and confirm that email right now. You can see the email address has been added, but the email verification process is still not complete. For that, you need to go and open the email and then confirm that. You can see two email addresses on the contact info. Once the confirmation is completed, you will see both the email address over here. So you open the recently added email address, tap that. And there you need to tap on the option Make Primary. Tap on it. Once this is confirmed, once the additional email has been confirmed as your primary email, you go to the previous email that you wanted to remove from your Facebook account. Tap that email and you tap on Remove. Are you sure you want to remove Quick Tech Tutorial Gmail account from your account? Tap on Remove Email. And just with that, the email address has been removed from your account. This is the only way how you can remove the email address on your Facebook account, just by providing the new email address. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.